On this one here, our meat. So I've got some lovely lamb bones. You could be using beef, of course, if you wanted. A little bit of fat, a little bit of meat on it, but the bones are kind of what we really want. Then we're going to add some aromatics to the water to make the broth. So I've got some salt, garlic, cinnamon stick, peppercorns, a little bit of dried chili, some lime or some lemon, a few cloves, a little bit of green cardamom, and around the back there I've got some sliced ginger. It's so easy. What we're going to do is we're going to drop all this into a pan, cover it with water, and then we're going to boil it. I'm actually got my pressure cooker here, so if you're using a pressure cooker, it's going to be much faster, but you can do this without one. Just takes a bit longer. So as you can see in my pot here, I've put my meat in, and I've covered that with like 3 or 4 centimeters above the meat of just water. So let's get in our aromatics. So garlic, some salt, cinnamon stick, some dried chili, some black peppercorns, a few cloves and the green cardamom, some sliced ginger, and then lemon or lime. Now, of course, I'm using this mixture, but you could be using something else. Think about sort of rosemary and stuff like that. Take it in that direction if you wanted to. Simply, I'm going to get a lid on that. And, I mean, you can't sort of overcook this, really, as long as you've got moisture in there. What we're looking for is, obviously, for the meat to fall off the bones, the fat to come off, and the marrow from inside any of the bones to come out. So I'm going to put my lid on, bring it to pressure, and it's probably going to go in the pressure cooker for about 30 minutes. So if you were doing this without a pressure cooker, you're looking like an hour and a half, maybe. Okay, there you go. So I've just let that cool down. That was actually on for about 40 minutes in my pressure cooker. But we can take a look now. The bones are... We've got all that marrow there and stuff come out of the bones. It's just really lovely. So you can use this as a stock. What you can do now is drain it all off and just keep the liquid. Some people drink this as a drink, like a bone broth, or you can use it as a stock to add to other dishes that you will be making. That's it. So simple. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.